Welcome to the Easy English Podcast Club. My name is Alex, and today I want to give you some hope. Many learners feel nervous when speaking English. They believe that if they speak fast, people will think they are fluent. They copy fast movies and fast speakers. But then something happens. They forget words, they make mistakes, and they feel even more nervous. Sometimes the listener does not understand them. If you have ever felt this way, I want to tell you something important. Speaking slowly does not make you weak. Speaking slowly does not mean you are not fluent. In fact, slowing down is one of the best ways to grow. When you slow down, you think more clearly. You choose better words. People understand you, and you begin to enjoy speaking English. So today, we will learn the power of slowing down. I will show you how mindful English can change your listening and your speaking. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube. Every week, we share lessons to help you practice, grow, and believe in yourself. Let's begin. Many learners believe fast English is good English, but let us look at what happens when you speak too fast. When you rush, your brain has no time to think. You may choose the wrong word. You may forget grammar. Your pronunciation can become unclear. The listener has to work hard to understand you. Sometimes they will not understand at all. The same problem happens when you listen to fast English. You miss small but important words like was, have, or just. These little words can change the meaning of the whole sentence. You may also miss the feeling behind the words. The speaker may sound happy, sad, or angry, but if you only hear speed, you miss the emotion. This is why fast English does not always help. It can make you confused, tired, and less confident. When you slow down, something amazing happens. Your brain has more time to understand sounds. You hear the words and how they connect. You notice feelings in the voice. You understand more. When it is your turn to speak, you have time to prepare. You can choose simple but correct words. You can pronounce them clearly. Your listener can follow your ideas without stress. Speaking slowly is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of confidence. Nervous people rush. Confident people take their time. Think about good teachers or famous speakers. They do not speak too fast. They use pauses. They give listeners time to understand. You can do the same in English. If this makes sense to you, pause for a moment and subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club. We are here to give you more simple tools like this every week. The solution is something I call mindful English. Mindful means full attention. You are not thinking about yesterday or tomorrow. You are only focused on this moment. When you practice mindful English, you listen with attention, you speak with attention. You do not rush. You enjoy each sound, each word, and each meaning. Mindful English makes your listening clearer and your speaking stronger. Now let me give you a clear plan. You can use these steps every day. Step 1, slow listening. Choose a short podcast or video in English, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. First, listen at normal speed. Then, listen again at a slower speed. When you listen, pay attention to small words like is, was, have, just. These small words, listen again and focus on how words connect, like going to, becoming gonna, the emotion in the voice. This training helps your ears catch details you usually miss. Step 2, slow repeating. After listening, repeat the sentences out loud. Do not rush. Match the pauses, the stress, and the music of the speaker's voice. This method is called shadowing. Imagine you're an actor. You copy the style of the speaker. Step 3, pause before speaking. In your next conversation, do not answer too quickly. Take one breath. Use this pause to prepare a simple and clear sentence. For example, if someone asks, "What did you do yesterday?" Do not panic. Take a breath, then say, "Yesterday, I went to the park with my friend." This small pause makes a big difference. Step 4, think of your listener. When you speak, remember that someone is listening. Use clear pronunciation, use pauses to give them time, make your message easy to follow. Step 5, reflect after practice. After each practice, take a moment to think. Ask yourself, did I notice new words? Did I understand more when I slowed down? Was my pronunciation easier to hear? This short reflection helps you improve faster. At first, slowing down may feel strange. You may think, if I speak slowly, people will think I am not fluent. But the opposite is true. When you slow down, people understand you. You feel calm. You feel in control. This confidence grows day by day. Over time, your natural speed will increase, but now your speed will come with clarity. You will be fast and clear at the same time. Here is a simple routine you can follow. Morning. Listen to a short clip in English, then repeat it slowly. Afternoon. Practice pausing before speaking. Try one clear sentence. Evening. Reflect. Write or think about one thing you learned today. This routine takes only 15 minutes, but if you do it every day, you will see big results. If this routine is helpful, subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club. We give you new practice ideas every day. Let us review what you learned today. 1. Speaking fast can create mistakes and confusion. 2. Listening fast can make you miss words and emotions. 3. Slowing down gives your brain more time. 4. Mindful English means paying attention to the present moment. 5. You can practice with slow listening, slow repeating, pausing, thinking of your listener, and reflecting. 6. Confidence grows when you slow down. 7. A short daily routine can make a big difference. I want to leave you with this thought. Clear English is better than fast English. People do not remember how quickly you spoke. They remember how well they understood you. So from today, please allow yourself to slow down. Enjoy each word. Enjoy each sentence. English will become easier and more natural for you. Thank you for learning with me today on the Easy English Podcast Club. I am Alex, and I believe in you. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. And don't forget to subscribe so we can continue this journey together step by step.